I'm going to talk a minute about holding position in your boat, why it's important, what you might need to do it for, and then how to do it. So we're coming back to a marina right now, and our fairway is over here, and I've got the wind and the current blowing against me. And as I approach that fairway or the marina, I may want to hold position just to kind of understand what the wind and the current are doing, or to take a look inside my marina and see if there's any boats coming out. And if I had a boat that was leaving, I might have to stand here for a minute and wait. And it's useful. You might be going to a gas dock or dock and dine, and you've got to keep the boat in position while you're against wind or current. And really what it comes down to is trying to keep your bow pointed into the wind and current, picking a place on land to kind of see what your position is. And it's really adjusting the bow from port or starboard, into gear and out of gear, just to hold the boat in one spot. And the time in gear may be longer or shorter depending on the current, the wind, how fast your boat is up current. You see in this particular situation, I've almost got it balanced where I'm in gear with just a little bit of throttle, just to hold my position. You'll notice I am adjusting my wheel starboard right now. I may come back out of gear if I go too far starboard. I may have to go back in if the wind blows me to my port side. There's a lot of just going in and out of gear, adjusting my wheel to suit. And this is also a great way to practice if you are a newer boater, to get used to how the wind affects your bow and how shifting works. It's a great way to practice and train for yourself. We're all set, so now I'm going to head inside the marina.